Hi. The sound of letter H. This is Lamb Lady. And a gift of time. King Hezekiah was sick. Achoo! Like letter H. A man of God came to the king and prophesied that he was not going to get well from his sickness. He told the king that he was going to go to sleep for the last time. King Hezekiah cried to God. He reminded God that he served him with his life. The man of God came again and told King Hezekiah that he would get well from his sickness after all. God was going to give him 15 more years to live. King Hezekiah went the dragon, and out came fire. Leviathan was king, now he's bones in the mire. Not Hezekiah, he was king too, but he cried out to God. Then his life was not due. He that comes to me, I will not cast out, says God. Goodbye.